Okay.
Okay. I've opened this.
Is it recording now?
Yep, recording. Yep. I've opened this hole up here. It was pushed back in. So we're going to put some plaster in behind it so we can get a bit of strength. Pushing it in behind on the back of that sheet. You can put a bit of plasterboard if you make the hole bigger and stick a bit of plasterboard in behind it as well. Main thing is to get some support from the back though. Okay, we'll start filling the front in now. Plaster.
It's our underside coming out.
So?
It's our one side coming out. Working the camera.
Sister will be famous.
Oh yeah, true. Put your heels out and come. Do you want to be famous? This is for YouTube. And as we can see,
that's going to take up there.
So how long does it take to dry?
Probably a day or two. With this weather, it's pretty warm. Probably 2 days.
And is it going to look like it was never
Yes.
punched in?
You call me back if it doesn't.
Oh yeah, we will.
Thanks. It should be fine. Okay. We'll let that take up for a minute.
Yep.
Thanks a lot.
And having a break.
Yeah.
Okay. So is this like round 2?
Sorry?
Is this like round 2? Or do you have to scrape it off? And
yeah, we've got to scrape it back level a bit now.
Oh.
We're going to polish it up a bit now.
It's okay, she talks to herself sometimes.
Okay. Okay, we'll let that get a little bit harder. Yep. Okay, we'll try and give it a bit of a polish. It's firmed up a bit now. Okay, we'll let that firm up a bit more. Okay, just near a final polish up. That's pretty close. Okay, we'll give it a bit of a splash with a bit of water. Okay, it's not too bad now. Just, maybe just a light sand with a sponge sander. Hope you've enjoyed that. That patch up on in the wall. Thanks a lot. All the best. Take care.